Hey guys, it's me, Alexis. Welcome back. And today I will be doing another slime video, but with a twist. I will be testing out these. See if these will color a slime and make it right. The gel peel kit thing. I got the gel peel accessory kit or whatever. It's from Target, but it didn't have all the things for it. It didn't have the tips for these and stuff, so I'm going to use these to color a slime and see if it works. So yeah, let's get started. First one I'm going to do is some white glue. I'm going to get my container to mix it with. No, I'm not going to use that. I'll use this. Okay. Alright. So let's kind of make this where you can see. Let's pour some white glue in here. I don't want to make a big batch just in case it don't work. And yeah, I'm going to do some white glue. I'm going to do pink. And there's these caps you have to pull off. And it's like glittery, so go down. Ew. Okay. I'm going to grab something to mix with. Where's my mixer? Here it is. This paper, so I don't think it will mix. I think it's going to mix up. So it was so chunky. It's not mixing at all. It's like chunky. Like it's not mixing. It's just like a big blob of it, and it like won't mix. Just see the big blob of pink in it. Mix. Like, well, we know this is a fail, but still can activate it. So let me hear my activator. Okay. What's an activator? Oh, shoot. Wrong activator, because this is empty. Well, there's like a little bit left. We're just going to go ahead and use blue side. Use this blue one instead. Because I'm going to get more of my clear, and I need to save that clear. So. Pour the blue in. See if this even activates. No, it's activating. Okay. So it's just activating, but the pink still didn't mix in it. So, I guess since that didn't mix in it, we know the other colors probably aren't going to mix. But I'm going to see if I can get it to mix in it. Okay, now it's like really sticky. There's like big globs of it in there, but you can kind of see the pink that's slowly mixing in it. But I really like the blue color, it's really pretty. The pink is like kind of mixing in it. We get some more Tide in it. Where's it? Ooh, okay, well, we just need to mess with that. Comment what activator you like the best. Stay Flow, Borax, Contact Lens Solution, Blue Tide, Clear Tide, Gain. Like, comment down below. Comment down below what is your favorite activator to use. Mine, I would say, is probably Tide, because it gives it like a weird. It gives it a good texture. If you look closely, you can kind of see some pink blobs in it, but the pink just like disappeared in it. So, yeah. And if I do get Tide, I'll get the scented kind, so it smells good. This Jello Peel stuff made it smell good, because this isn't the scented kind because they were out. So yeah. Oh, and comment yes or no if I should do Instagram followers choose my slime. So I'm going to do one of those videos. And I've decided I'm going to post every Monday. Wait, what's today? Wednesday? I'm going to post every Wednesday, Thursday, and and Saturday. So I'll post 2 videos a day. So I'll post 2 today, 2 tomorrow, and then 2 on Sunday. So, yeah. I'm going to start kind of getting all this glue out of here, though. So much. Jeez. Please. Okay. That is good enough. And I'll get the rest off camera. I'll get the rest of it out off camera. Sorry if I have bad lighting. It's just not, my lighting is not wanting to work. So, yeah. And I'm getting like a background job. Don't know when, but I'll eventually get one. So, yeah. Alright, let's just the clicking. Move out of my way. I mean, it's a small batch of slime. It's not that big either. Let's get this tied up. Ah, shoot. Yeah, that hurt. Remember to give this video a good big thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, let's see. Yep. It does not have a good clicking noise, but good bubble. I got. No, man. I got there. Oopsies. Here, G right there. I'll clean it up in a minute. All right, let's test it now. The only thing I don't like about ties is the blue type of tie is it don't get a good clicking noise, but it gives it a good stretchy and good bubbles. But yeah, let's make another bubble. Nope, that was. That makes a good clicking noise. That's also what I like about it. Is it makes a good clicking noise when you do that. All right, well, guys, so. Bye. Remember what I said. Give this a big thumbs up. Say if this can get 10 thumbs up in the next 48 hours. See if we can do it. And if we do, I will sleep outside. I'll do the 24-hour overnight trampoline challenge. So yeah, bye.